In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the account you have in Google Play Store. It happens that when we are going to change something, to buy something, we have a specific account. Okay, in this case, I am this account and I am going to demonstrate into you with this GTA San Andreas video game. We are going to click here and we can see we are going to pay, and the card that we have added will appear directly here. We can see that it has been added to email, this email, manager Eller, this. And now what you are going to do if you want another card to pay is go back to Excite and to Excite your Pro Life, and going in the upper right part you go here, this little girl appears, okay, and change Pro Life. When you change accounts, you are going to go here again to search GTA San Andreas, for example. GTA San Andreas. Okay, we select we again, and we can see that we directly have an option to add a credit account, and this is the solution, guys. Here you enter your information, and that will be all. Thanks for watching this video. Give us a like, and of course leave off in the comments what you thought of it.